The U.S. Department of State's so-called 2024 Country Reports on Human Rights Practices is neither an impartial analysis nor a balanced account of facts. It is a politically charged narrative designed to erode confidence in the governance of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region and discredit China to serve Washington's geopolitical strategy against Beijing. The report is a product of ideological bias and geopolitical maneuvering. The assertion that political freedoms in Hong Kong have been dismantled ignores the reality that the rights guaranteed under the Basic Law remain firmly in place, subject to the same principle recognized in all jurisdictions that rights must be exercised within the bounds of law. The Hong Kong Special Administrative Region National Security Law and the Safeguarding National Security Ordinance were enacted through lawful processes to address genuine threats to public order, social stability, and national sovereignty. Arrests under these laws are subject to judicial oversight, with access to legal representation and fair trials. The report criticizes Hong Kong's extradition efforts, while ignoring similar U.S. practices in high-profile cases. It also misrepresents the nature of speech restrictions, failing to distinguish between protected expression and incitement to violence or foreign interference. Claims of a suppressed media environment are contradicted by the continued presence of diverse and openly critical publications. Outlets that were closed faced credible legal charges, not censorship for political views. Academic freedom remains robust, with national security education introduced in line with international norms. Labor rights are protected, with strong occupational safety laws and legal protections for foreign domestic workers. Isolated cases of abuse are not reflective of systemic issues and have been addressed through enforcement. The report's portrayal of Hong Kong's asylum system, detention practices, and cultural regulation also lacks context and balance. Each accusation can be answered with legal reasoning and factual evidence. Ultimately, this report serves as a tool of strategic interference rather than a good-faith contribution to global human rights dialogue and protection. Those committed to an honest and principled discussion of human rights will recognize these accusations for what they are, and will reject them in favor of a balanced view grounded in international norms, legal principles, fact, and respect for sovereignty.